Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your Binance wallet address. To receive cryptocurrency in your Binance account, you will first need your wallet address. Start by logging into your Binance account, then move over the wallet icon in the top right corner and select Overview or Fiat and Support Wallet. Next, click on Deposit, then choose Deposit Crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. You can use the search bar to quickly find your coin. After selecting the coin, choose the correct network. This step is very important because sending crypto through the wrong network could result in your funds being lost or delayed. Once you have selected the network, your Binance deposit address will appear on the screen. Simply click the copy icon next to the address to copy it, and then you can paste it wherever you need to receive your cryptocurrency. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.